Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Gameloop Error Code 1. The error reads Installation Error, Unknown Error. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to install Gameloop. Many players shared that the installation process fails and shows this error code. According to our research, this error is most likely related to administrator permissions, background applications, antivirus restrictions, or network issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your PC and run Gameloop as an administrator. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you are running MSI Afterburner in the background. If so, close it completely and then check for the error again. If the error still persists, then exit Gameloop completely, including from the tray. Then turn off your antivirus or add the Gameloop folders to the exclusion list. After that, restart your PC and check for the error again. At last, if you still get the error, then try using a VPN. Many users confirmed that switching to a VPN allowed them to install Gameloop successfully. So if you have access to a VPN, then give this a try and see if this helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.